I highly caution you, when you are looking to cancel, don't do it because you're trying to chase something else. Do it because you're just done. You want to cancel your contract and you decided, you know what, I don't want this annuity contract. Hey there, John Stevenson with the Guaranteed Retirement Guy show. Today we're going to be talking about the free look period that all annuity contracts have. And just kind of show you real quick where I'm at. Gonna see my, I'm basically up to my knees in snow here. Out here at Red Lake, woods, it's beautiful. There's no wind, so I highly recommend it. Okay, I had a guy, he bought 2 annuities with me. They were MYGA contracts, okay? Great friend, great client, and he got a phenomenal rate with these 2 MYGAs. Okay, it was like a 5.25%. It was great. We had everything funded, the contracts issued, and they mailed the policies to my office. I signed them, I sent it out to him. And then as he was about to sign them, he noticed that there was another annuity. It was the same period. I want to say 5 years. They were actually offering more. It's a 5.45 instead of a 5.25. And so he started figuring out, I was like, oh, I'm getting a few $1,000s more over the life of this. And so of course, I usually do not recommend this. It takes a lot more work for me. But at the same time, it also is a big risk to you. You can miss out on the rate you have during the switch. And so usually it's always discouraged to do any type of rate chasing. Just keep that in mind if you're thinking about withdrawing from something and going to another one. Most of the time, it's not a good idea. But that's what we did. And I just want to take you through the process. So he had 30 days, and most contracts will give you 30 days. Some will be less though. Some will be like 15, 20 days. So it just depends. You'll have to look at the contract. And so what he did is he called the company and he said, hey, I'm gonna be canceling this. What do you guys need? And I could have done this for him as well, but he was Johnny on the spot. So he called them up. And they basically said, hey, we need you to mail us the contracts. We need a letter, a written letter to us saying, hey, I want to cancel this. And then we need a letter of acceptance of the company that will be taking the funds back. And that's exactly what he did. So it really is that simple. It takes about 2 weeks. They send the check back over to the other IRA account. And now he is already looking at funding the new contracts, which yes, he is going to get them. You got to make sure that they're funded though at a certain time. So that's why I always caution people. It says when you do this, first off, you're making me do a lot of extra work. So I would rather not do it, and I'll just be totally candid. But at the same time, you also run the risk of rate changes, and if you don't get the funds there on time, you can miss out because they have a rate lock period. And if you don't get it there before that date, you miss out. I highly caution you, when you are looking to cancel, don't do it because you're trying to chase something else. Do it because you're just done. You want to cancel your contract and you decided, you know what, I don't want this annuity contract. That's usually the best reason to do it. Otherwise, if you're doing the rate chasing game, it can really mess up and lead you down a road that you didn't intend to go. So that's my recommendation. But if you're looking for the best annuity, whether it be for income, whether you're looking for high rates, like right now, rates are still good. The Federal Reserve, they just lower the rates again, which means that's probably going to affect income payouts. It's probably going to affect the MYGA rates, and that'll affect SPIAs and DIAs and QLACs, okay? Everything will be affected because when the insurance company is making less money, they pass it on to you as the consumer. They're competitive. They always are competitive, but it also limits the amount of income, the guaranteed lifetime income that they can give you, as well as the fixed rate of return that they can give you on those other contracts. Anyways, keep that in mind when you're looking to purchase an annuity. Work with someone who's going to show you everything that's available, okay? Not just one or two, because a lot of times when they're doing that, they're going to make a ton of commission and get some bonuses, get some trips, and it's usually not in your best interest, okay? That's why I invite you to go to my website, johnstevenson.com, check out my calculators, okay? You'll be able to see all of the calculators, and you can run the numbers yourself. If you're looking for highest guaranteed lifetime income, go to the income rider, okay? That is the one that gives you the most lifetime income. So anyways, happy to help. If you want to book a call, there's a link below this video. There's a link on my website, and we'll chat, okay? It'll be a Zoom call, and you can ask me plenty of questions. I'll ask you some questions, and we'll see kind of what you're looking for. and I'll make some recommendations. I'll show you everything that's available, and I'll make my highest recommendation on the one that I think would be the absolute best, but it's totally up to you to make the decision. So the decision is really ultimately yours. So anyways, I am here as the certified financial fiduciary to help you with that. And of course, help you long after the sale. So if you're not looking to buy, or if you change your mind, I'm not going to sit there and try to twist your arm and make you buy something either. Okay. Nobody likes to be sold, but if you are looking to purchase an annuity and you are looking for someone who's going to be in your corner, someone who's going to really do what's in your best interest, not in the best interest of the insurance company or himself, then I'd invite you to book a call. So thanks again for watching. Appreciate it. If you like it, make sure you click the like button, subscribe, share if you like, and of course, comment below if you have any comments or questions. Okay. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.